To change some of the basic options for your Linode, click the dashboard link. In the submenu, click the settings link. Here you can change your automatically generated Linode label. I'll change mine to My Linode. You can do the same. You can see that the label has now been updated to My Linode. It helps keep your Linodes more organized rather than using generic names, which are hard to remember. Now go back to the dashboard and then back to settings. Under the second heading, you can enable or disable the shutdown watchdog. This automatically restarts your Linode if it unexpectedly powers off. It's a good idea to keep this enabled to ensure your server is not down for long periods of time. Under the email alerts heading, you can customize the types of alerts you receive. For example, by default, you will receive an email alert if 90% of your CPU usage has been utilized. And you can see there are a number of others, and you can enable them or disable them by simply ticking the checkbox.